Very nice sparring, says Kruger online. Right, here we go. Don't go anywhere. The first of 3 Rwandan teams that will cross that start line as the sun sets here in Dubai. They train together. They will set the benchmark for the Rwandans. Put your phone on silent. On the traverse wall, up into the attic entry. Remember, the record holders are Rwanda SWAT Team 1, Peace Team 1, 346 last year, that's the target. Listen to the support. Over the football, they've all got to touch the bell. Here we go, he's locked in. The man at the bottom was already up and on him before he'd even got his arms under that yellow bar. That's how you do it. Balance beam must touch the yellow painted ends of that balance beam. Make it look so easy. Monkey bars, ninja boards, the sand pit, the cargo net, being dispatched with ease. Over the top of that cargo net. They have to climb up and climb down. They're not allowed to throw themselves over the cargo net. Remember, the fastest time so far today, Uzbek police, 4 minutes flat. We've done 2 minutes here with the Defence Force of Rwanda. There's 1 across, 2 across, 3 across, 2 still to go. Was it 3 still to go? Yeah, there's 3 still to go. There's 2 of them that are on that barrel at the moment. There you go, 1 remaining. His colleagues are cracking on and not hanging around. There we go. They make it look easy. Fireman's Tower. Look at them go. Traverse rope. Is he the first? This is going to be tight. Will they cross the line quicker than the Uzbek police? I'm not so sure. They've got a lot to do inside 30 seconds. Irish table. And look at them cheering. They're going to miss out on that 4-minute mark of the police of Uzbekistan, but I think this will still be the second quickest time today. Over the wooden wall, and a sprint across the finish line to stop the clock in 4 minutes 20 flat. Defence force of Rwanda lay down the benchmark for the boys from New York. NYPD Emergency Service Unit back again this year. Good to see them once more. And quite a few of you are talking about the temperature. Well, it's a lot warmer here in Dubai than it is in New York right now. That is for sure. Roshan says, come on, USA. Afternoon, AD. What do the competition winners win? Well, the total prize money is $260,000. That's split across all 5 days. So there's a winner each day, and a runner-up, and a third. 80, the prize money. And then, of course, overall competition winners win prize money as well, first, second, and third. Hello from Scotland. I went to school in Scotland, AD. He says I was there on Saturday for the competition. Yeah, we had a cracking couple of days on Saturday and Sunday. Musa says the teams that went out this morning, first thing this morning, have an advantage. I can't imagine the Dubai heat in the afternoon. We were just discussing before 28 degrees centigrade, but the draw, you know exactly, or the teams know exactly how the draw works. Last goes first on the final day. First in the rankings at the end of day 4 goes last. That's how the draw goes, so you know that in advance. If you want to go out early in the morning, finish the first 4 days last. That's all you can do. John Bosco waiting for the Rwanda Special Force and the Rwanda National Police. They're coming soon. There we go, 2.5 minutes on the clock so far, so no issues in terms of time at the moment. Right, he's got to get locked in on that yellow spar at the top. Remember, last year it was a DNF for the NYPD. This year, I imagine their primary goal is to make sure they finish the course and make sure they finish it inside the 10-minute limit. No issues with the human ladder. Was it 4 years ago that we saw the NYPD Emergency Service Unit struggling with that human ladder? Was it 4 years ago? I can't remember. I can't remember back to last Saturday. It seems like a long time ago, doesn't it? Joe, tell us about the Greeks. What do you want to know? AD, you again. AD says, can you say hello to my kids, Amelia and Sophia? They're off school today. Why are they off school, AD? Jordan, watching in South Africa. Our fantastic team, yes, the Special Task Force still to come from South Africa. 73 they are in the draw, so a little while later. And good afternoon to Gigi Bear. Joe, are you not tired? Not as tired as the guys out there on that obstacle course today, that's for sure. I am nice and comfortable, thank you, Gigi Bear, in my air-conditioned studio. Wood-panelled walls, shag pile carpet, cold drinks on hand, a box of ice. What more can I want? Foot massage. I've got it all here. There is even someone standing with a large fan made from flamingo feathers. I'm more than comfortable, thank you very much. Mr. Grease is back. About the team, your thoughts? Yes, first time as the Greek team this year, they've been okay. I thought you were going to ask me about Greek olives or Greek yogurt or something like that, something I know nothing about. They've done okay. They've been very good for first timers in the competition. It's always difficult for any team that participates in the UAE SWAT Challenge for the first time. Ashween says, I'm watching from India. Here are the NYPD Emergency Service Unit on the barrel roll. How many have we got left to come? 4 in total, still to make it across. 2 are actually on the barrel roll right now. 2 there you can see in the background. We've just gone past the 7-minute mark. That's another one over. There's the buzzer and the bell, so 2 remaining. As his colleague heads towards the Irish table, just having a look at those hands. The skin will be shredded. There's the second attempt. 1 more remaining for NYPD. The strain and the suffering. That's 2 from 2, 2 attempts each for those final 2 guys of the New York Police Department. And there's the third. Once again, just like last year, the Dream Crusher claims another victim. And the NYPD Emergency Service Unit are disqualified.